6 months. And after, yeah, it's ready and it's possible use. Yeah, this one is ready. This one is the top leaf, it's the best leaf in the plant. Okay, look here. This one here, you see, is the center nerve. The tobacco leaf conserves only there 75% of the nicotine. In the factory, in the time to make a cigar, included the center nerve. For us, it's totally different. It's remove the center vein. Later, cigar is not stronger and not make it addiction in short time. Short time is...
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you. Center vein out, breath with the leaf. And the cigars, every cigar is 3 different parts: filler, binder, and wrapper. Filler and binder is the inside part from the combustion, and wrapper is the last one, is from the aesthetic, is the view size. The filler here. Now take the binder and the wrapper. Normally, I don't need too much time for making one cigar. 3 minutes is enough for me. Now, only take it my moment and do it slowly for you see whole the process. 3 minutes is enough. Filler, binder, and now here, take the wrapper. The 3 part, and this one here is honey. Use honey like glue for close the cigar. Now and now the last part here. And for close the cigar, honey. In the factory, use maple syrup. It's come from Canada.